Hello guys, I am back with a new tutorial on how to make a zombie illustration in Adobe Illustrator. In the video we will divide the overall process in 3 steps. 1. First step is sketching the concept. 2. Refining the logo sketch. 3. Coloring the logo. Now, I am working on the concept sketch for the logo and therefore I am using the brush tool and doing a very rough draft. I will make sure that I have good base before I proceed for refining it. You can improve the sketching process by keeping some good inspirations from Google on the artboard so that you can easily come up with a great concept for a logo. Here it is, the final rough draft is done. Looks great to me, and now I will start with the refining process. I will use shapes and pen tool to make sure that overall shape is looking perfect. A refined sketch is very important part of the process. If sketch is not refined properly, we will have some issues. Make sure that all shapes are closed so that once we use the merge tool, it generates some colorless boxes and we can use that to color the design. Here it is, looks amazing. Let's proceed for colors. I will go ahead and make a copy of the sketch and make sure all the strokes are expanded. Use expand and expand appearance. And now I will go ahead and merge it. Now it have generated colorless closed shapes and I will just add red to it. Since I have already chosen the colors that I am hoping to add it to the zombie, so I will just go ahead and make it fill with those colors. Perfect. I will just proceed with some minor shading. This adds some life to the character. Great, now we have the final design ready. Let me know in the comments about what else can I improve as I teach you guys how to be professional in designing. Thank you so much for your time and make sure to subscribe so that I can keep on creating some good content for you guys. See you soon.